How about the fascinating world of bioluminescence? Many marine organisms, from deep-sea creatures to fireflies, have evolved the ability to produce their own light. This mesmerizing natural phenomenon occurs when specific molecules, such as luciferin and luciferase, combine and emit light without heat. Bioluminescent organisms use this light for various purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey or even camouflage. The deep-sea environment, in particular, is filled with astonishing bioluminescent displays, where entire ecosystems depend on this natural glow for survival. Scientists continue to study bioluminescence not only for its beauty, but also for its potential applications in medical diagnostics and environmental monitoring.